sauteing some garlic, onions, ginger with the chicken and these malunggay leaves. And add some garlic, salt, and pepper to it, and green papaya. First, over the chicken, sauteing it brown, then boiling it for 20 minutes. Then adding the papaya. Then this thing called malunggay leaves, which has some medicinal values, and also garnishing it with the garlic, salt, and pepper. Thank you. The next step here. Alright, so we got the chicken boiling here with the onions, garlic, ginger, with garlic, salt, and pepper. We use a 6-pack of drumsticks we're going to use tonight. And then when that boils for like 20-30 minutes, we're going to add 5 minutes to boil with green papaya. And then this thing called moringai or malunggay leaves. You can add that here. You got to separate the little leaves from the stems. So as you can see here, I've done that. I strained it a little bit to get rid of whatever pesticides or whatever stuff on it, and then you just strip it off like this. Take it out and put it in there. Alright, and then hopefully the finishing touch. So I've added the papaya. It's been boiling for 5 minutes, and now it's time for this thing called the moringa or malunggay leaves, which has some beneficial values. So I'm just going to sprinkle it in here and then just stir it in there into the mix. About maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and this dish is cooked. Should have a nice taste to it and a nice herbal smell to it as well. So it's good for when you're feeling sick too. Like I said, they have medicinal properties. Oh, courtesy of my mom's recipe, chicken tinola. There you go.